Good morning, students. Today we are going to derive the Graphies root squaring method. To derive this method, first of all, we consider a polynomial equation in x of degree n, which is Pn x equal to a0 x to the power n, a1 x to the power n plus a2 and so on, an equal to 0, where a0 is not equal to 0 and all ai's are real coefficients. This is a direct method to calculate the roots of the given polynomial equations. The roots may be real and distinct, real and equal, or complex. The beauty of this method is that this method does not require any prior information of the required roots. In this method, all the roots of the given polynomial can be obtained at a time. This method consists in transforming the given polynomial equations into another polynomial equation of the same degree but whose roots are square of the roots of the given polynomial equations. The transforming process is repeated n times so that we get a new polynomial of the same degree and whose roots are 2 to the power mth power of the roots of the given polynomial equations, and the roots are widely separated for large value of the m provided the roots of the given polynomial equations are real and distinct. Finally, in this method, we can compute the roots of the given polynomial equations by the coefficients of the new polynomials, which is obtained after squaring m times. Suppose xi1 and xi2, xin be the real and distinct roots of the given polynomial equations. In this method, we take even powers of x in one side and odd powers of x in the right side, or then squaring, then we have this is the given polynomial equations. This is a0 x to the power n, this is a1 x to the power n minus 1, this is a2 x to the power n minus 2, plus and so on, a n minus 1 x plus a n equal to 0. Suppose you are taking even powers in left side and odd powers in right side, therefore this can be written as a0 x to the power n plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus a4 x to the power n minus 4 plus and so on, and then squaring equals to, this is a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a3 x to the power n minus 3 plus and so on. On simplification, we have a equation we get this is a0 square x to the power 2n minus a1 square minus 2 a0 a2 x to the power 2n minus 2 plus a2 square minus 2 a1 a3 plus 2 a0 a4 x to the power 2n minus 4 plus and so on plus minus 1 to the power n an square equal to 0. Substituting z equals to minus x square in equation 2, then we have a polynomial equation of degree n in variable z is equals to b0 z to the power n plus b1 z to the power n minus 1 plus b2 z to the power n minus 2 plus and so on. This is bn minus 1 z plus bn equals to 0, where b0 is a0 square, b1 is a1 square minus 2 a0 a2, b2 equals to a2 square minus 2 a1 a3 plus 2 a0 a4 and so on. bn equals to an square. This is equation number 3. The coefficients b0, b1 and so on bn can be obtained as follows. The above coefficients b0, b1, b2 and so on bn of the equation third can be obtained as follows. First of all, we write all the coefficients of the given polynomial in first row. Here these coefficients are a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on. This is an minus 3, an minus 2, an minus 1 or this is n. Thereafter we squaring these coefficients. This is a0 square, a1 square, a2 square, a3 square and so on. An minus 3 whole square. This is an minus 2 whole square, an minus 1 whole square. This is x. We start with negative sign, which is minus 2, and the product of the neighborhood coefficients of a1, which is a0, a2. Here minus 2, this is a1, a3. Here minus 2, a2, a4 and so on. In third row, we start with positive sign and taking the next neighborhood. Therefore, here there is no any element. This is plus 2. Next neighborhood of a2 is a0, a3. The next neighborhood of a3 is a1 and a5. This is 2, a1, a5. and so on. Next neighborhood of A3 is, which is again negative,